Hi, my name is Michelle and I will be helping you with your app, Soil Connect. Soil Connect is a platform created for excavators, contractors, builders, landscapers, and other building professionals who work with soil on a regular basis. Our platform connects those who have soil with those who need soil. Let's begin by launching the application. If you have a login established, go ahead and sign in. For new users, press the sign up at the bottom of your screen. Fill out the information accordingly. You'll see me enter mine. If you do not see your company type listed, feel free to press Other, type your category, and press Submit. Your confirmation code will be sent to your phone if you are using the app, or another destination of your choice if you are using the website, such as an email address. We have arrived at the home screen. Notice the darker brown pins are people looking to sell, and the lighter brown pins are people looking to buy. Pinch the screen to move in and out of a region. If you prefer looking at this information in a list rather than a map, press the upper right-hand corner. Now let's go over how to make a post. Press the notepad icon to the right of the home icon, which will bring you to the screen. Fill it out accordingly. It is very important to note that you can schedule your posts to plan in advance. This feature is perfect for a person who knows that they have a job coming up where they need soil or have excess soil. For this situation, it may be helpful to type in the location for this purpose instead of using the location finder. For your scheduling preferences, you can select ASAP or non-time sensitive if that applies to you. You could also schedule specific dates for this post as demonstrated. After you fill out your quantity, it is important to note that you could type in whatever you want in soil type when you select Other. This is a chance to write pricing, transportation, or any other information you would want the buyer to know in addition to your soil type. For the purposes of this video, I selected clay. You can even upload a photo for potential buyers. Press Post. Now, let's check out our Saved section, which is the heart icon. Right now, you see that there are no posts available because I haven't favorited any. Let me show you how to. Return to the home screen and click a pin. With your first tap, this bubble will come up. With your second tap, it brings you to this full screen. The heart in the upper right-hand corner allows you to favorite this business, putting it in your Save section for later. The rating appears here, and you can rate businesses you have interacted with. Also, at the bottom of the page, you can see that you can send messages if you are interested. Let's do one together. Now, let's move on to the Message tab, which is the envelope icon. Here is where your communications will be between you and other people on this app. Here is our conversation from earlier. Let's move on to the Menu tab, which is the person icon. There are a lot of important things we can do here. To make your life easier, we recommend turning on text or email notifications. To do so, press Settings, then Notification. The switches turn green when you turn them on and off successfully. Here, you can also see your profile and change your password if needed. Let's go back to the main menu. You can go to My Posts and delete old ones or update their information. For example, I'll change ASAP to non-time sensitive. As another feature on this menu, you can click Invite Friends to invite your colleagues that are part of your workflow. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to email info@soilconnect.com or call 1-833-230-SOIL. Thanks for watching.